This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here we replace the dead battery in a new style Land Rover Jaguar key fob with a fresh one. We'll need a new CR2032 battery and the tip of a very small flat screwdriver. The mechanical key is missing in this fob, but it will need to be removed from yours. I certainly recommended having a new key cut, as it is the only way into the car if it is locked. Push the button shown on the fob and pull the key away on your fob. That key could be used for the next step, but we need to use the small screwdriver to remove the back of the key fob. Use the back side of this protrusion to pry against, not the front as I tried initially. That has it started. But it remained attached because of a piece of tape wrapped around the bottom. A valet had taped a tag to the fob since there wasn't a key ring available. Back to the top. And now it's off. There's the battery with its markings up. A fingernail is all that's needed to remove the old battery. And there is our CR2032. A new one simply slides in from the bottom up. Make sure the markings are up, and don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We're using a glasses cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the cloth makes the battery quite slippery. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to clean what was touched. The bottom of the fob snaps back on easily. Just line it up and squeeze. If you have a mechanical key, return it now. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.